Solve by the method of your choice the equation x minus 5 times 2x minus 1 is equal to 1. Now we're going to have to go ahead and put this equation in a standard form, starting by foiling these binomials that are on the left. To FOIL, we'll multiply those first terms. X times 2x is 2x squared. Our outer product is minus x. Inner product is minus 10x. Those combine to a minus 11x. And lastly, negative 5 times negative 1 is a plus 5, is equal to 1. So we see we've got a quadratic equation. Let's put it in standard form by moving this 1 to the left. Thus it becomes 2x squared minus 11x. 5 minus that 1 is 4. So plus 4 is equal to 0. I'm going to go ahead and solve this equation now by using the quadratic formula. So let's identify our values for A, B, and C. Write your quadratic formula next. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And let's substitute values. We want the negative of b, or the negative of negative 11, plus or minus the square root of b squared, or negative 11 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is 4. And that's all over 2a, or 2 times 2. Continuing to simplify in the numerator, the opposite of negative 11 is a positive 11, plus or minus the square root of negative 11 squared is a positive 121, minus 4 times 2 is 8, times 4 is 32, and that's all over 4. So this becomes 11 plus or minus the square root of 121 minus 32 is 89. And again, that's all over the value of 4. 89 has no perfect square factors to pull out of that square root symbol. So this is in a simplest form. It's always a good idea to check these two solutions in your original equation, and a check does verify that the solution set is 11 plus the square root of 89 over 4 and 11 minus the square root of 89 over 4. And let's write that as one statement, 11 plus or minus the square root of 89 all over 4.